Hey everyone, Gil at Graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, returning once again to the bathroom, we're going to talk about razors. Now, there are some people who prefer electric razors. And that's cool, but electric razors have a higher cost usage on them. You got the blade units and stuff for them, whether the bar ones, the round disc ones, whatever it is. They're not exactly cheap. Also, the electric razors, does yours have like most of them do, a run on a battery? So basically, you charge it up and you use it several times and you recharge it. Do you have replacement batteries for those? Can you even get replacement batteries for those? So, and what happens when the grid's totally down and you don't have a total solar backup system to power your house and charge your razors up? What are you going to do? Well, I recommend just going old school, getting the regular safety razors and stockpiling those up. I used to have the electric ones, and the price on them, just was ridiculous on the replacement blades. Plus, I use it, I shave it in the morning, get home, come home, it's like, oh man, I gotta shave again. And I just prefer using the regular razors and stuff. They're also a lot cheaper than, in the long run, than using electric razors. So, oh, wait a minute, guys, what about the missus? What about razors she needs? Oh, didn't think about that, did you guys? Oh, who's going to be sleeping in the doghouse tonight? So make sure you get plenty of razors for everyone in the family that needs them. And, do your math, price them out, see what works best for you and what costs the least. All right? So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill. And if you need to learn a skill you might want to learn is how to use an old-fashioned straight razor. All right? So keep adding to your preps. Get all prepped up for this winter.